Hello, YouTube friends and family. I know y'all hobby-lobbied out, but if you missed the 90%, I got good news, good news, good news. And here's some advice you can use. The toys, the toy section, go to the toy aisle. They have a ton of orange tags on the toy aisle starting 75% off. Think now. And then it may be another center aisle with more toys. But if you have a crafty kid, this is early Christmas shopping. You could legit finish Christmas shopping for multiple kids for under $50. Get that stuff, hide it like the old days, put it away, put it in the attic, do something, and hold it for Christmas if you celebrate. I have a toy haul, multiple kids now. You can get them out the way for $50 and hide it. We have this big 3-foot dollhouse play scene. So it's like the dollhouse and the dollhouse stickers. You know, when they're over it, they're over it. But it's Gabby's Dollhouse, and I guess that's on Netflix. Us regular $24.99. It was $6.24. Can you see that? So look for these orange stickers, the magic stickers. So that is one toy, and it's for 3 and up. I'm throwing this in because it was the last one left in that particular store. They gave me these pretty lemons for $1. So that's a little bit of home decor. I know they were $2.50 everywhere else, but when I saw them with no tag, I took them up. Lazy manager said $1. I said thank you. So here is a Scribble Scrabble Scrubby Crayola toy. And this is for, you can wash and clean the pets and do things with the pets. So, and it's for, what's the age on this? 3 and up. And it was $15.99, marked down to $3.99. That's cheaper than Dollar General unless you're at a penny sale. Better toys than Dollar General will have and everything. I only spent, what, $40 I want to say. I don't know where my receipt is. But I only spent $40. This is for me. So this is a vlogging stand with the light, with the microphone. So if you have a teenager, teen toys, look at that. Even though I ain't a teenager, I'm a long ways from it, but this is for me. This is for me. So, vlogging camera, regular $27.99. You can't even get this off of Amazon for $6.99. $6.99. The stand, everything. The light, the microphone. And here's something for, I'm looking for ages on here, and it doesn't have the ages on here per se. Oh, it says 8 and up, 8 plus. So this is a unicorn nail and lip gloss kit. So you get lip gloss, nails, decorations for the nails, all of that. Regular $18.99. $4.74. Now, if you're a basket maker, this would be the good main gift for Easter baskets. And I want to give a shout out and a thanks to LBE, because she's the one that turned me on to this while I'm still watching other 90% off Hobby Lobby hauls to see what I missed, see how other stores compare. I saw this and she was like, go back, go back. So I'm telling you, just like she told me, go back. Go back. I went back the next day. It was really nothing left of 90% unless it was broken. That's all that was left of the 90% stuff. But you go to the toy aisle, it's full of them orange stickers. It's full of the orange stickers. So this is the Hobby Lobby secret. And I'm going to put this out today because it's Thursday. So it's payday. Tomorrow's payday. Nobody should miss out on this. And this is a good inflation buster tip for you. I'm trying to bust inflation. I am going to do a whole separate video, but I'm feeling this now. So I'm going to warn you, the hauls may go way down because my mortgage went up almost $300 because of my homeowner's insurance. Pretty much more than almost doubled. And it wasn't cheap to begin with. I did have a claim, so I got them. They paid claims, and so I can't even go with the old people. And they say, "Oh, I'm scared to file a claim. My insurance gonna go up. It's gonna go up regardless. So you may as well file a claim." I got over $25,000 in 5 years, so I'm gonna suck it up, put my big girl drawers on, and deal with it. But I know what y'all feeling now. I'm feeling it too, and I ain't worked in almost a year. I got to get me a job because it ain't gonna work with them extra $300. Okay, so this is the next one. I always throw something in here about what's going on, but I'm gonna do a whole video about it and things you can do about it when that happens. But this is a necklace activity, and I'm looking for the age, but this is Barbie license, and it says no kids under 3 plus. But this was regular $14.99. And you see that? $3.74. So this stuff is like 80%, 75, 80% off. And this is the other toy. So we got teens covered. We got little kids covered, 8 and up covered, preteens, everything. I didn't get everything they had. And I really should have walked the aisle and did like a short or something, but I wasn't thinking. I was on the phone with somebody. So this one was regular $14.99, and this is a treasure keepsake box. And I think it's like a journal you can write in or something like that too. But you color it. You color it, and it's a box to keep stuff in. So it is $3.74. Child. Christmas done. Christmas done for the little kids. Now, this is a few items that I got stuck with. No, I actually got it 90%. So I got more of these at 90%. So they were $1.50 for my gardeners. My gardeners, yes, 36 peat pots for $1.50. So, between those toys and my 90% off summer, spring toys, that covers a ton of Christmas. A ton of Christmas for a friend of mine. And I'm telling you how to get it done. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Go back and look at some of my other hauls. I have over 900 videos out here. We have the Labor Day grocery. See, we get the important stuff too. We get the extracurriculars and the important stuff. The home decor and the important stuff over here. I just put in my community tab a link to my Harris Teeter, the fancy Kroger store. Harris Teeter Labor Day sales from 2022. I drive out of town, kind of sort of 30 minutes away to a Harris Teeter, and I will do some damage in a Harris Teeter when they first open on the right day for the Labor Day sale, and you can pretty much get a month's worth of groceries for $150 at that point. So stay tuned. If we don't do nothing but go through the ad, or I'll post it in the community tab, go ahead, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, so you get in on all of this. I have a friend who mad with me that I didn't pick up the phone and call them. Oh well, for the 90% off. Are you subscribed to my channel? I've been on YouTube for 3 years. I told everybody that morning in a short. I told everybody that morning in a short. Then when you saw the short, you could have picked up the phone and called me, but you don't support me. I mean, I can't remember it all, but I'm out here for y'all. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day.